Hello everyone, I have another package and it is came from Alza. So this store, I guess it's present in the Central European or Eastern European countries. So it's not from China, it's actually from the Hungarian store. So let's see. It's gonna be my new shaver because maybe you saw my video about this shaver. Like after half a year, I just fed up with this. I really don't like it. Like probably my first impression was a little more positive, but I just don't like it. So this one, I decided to buy something new. So I bought this Grundig shaver. So I'm gonna show. So probably here is one of the more relevant data that I don't speak German, but it's working up to 50 minutes. It looks like most of the thing is in German in the box. So I'm gonna try to open it, and they also included a little booklet what is outside of the box. I'm just gonna quickly check it. Okay, if you speak these languages you might understand what is written there. I'm not speaking those languages. They looks like some Slavic languages. So let's open the box. Okay, so actually this looks like it was like something was already opened and then put it back here. It's not the most comforting sight, but let's hope everything is alright inside the box. So this is what you see. And they also included some other additional paperwork. So yeah, and it has different languages: German, English, Turkish, Espanol, French, Croatian, and Polish. Not Hungarian though, even though I'm living in Hungary and it was sold in their Hungarian store, but that's not a problem. English is gonna be more than enough, especially considering that I'm not really interested to read that little booklet. So here is the shaver. Let me just compare the size. It's a little bigger than the other one. Okay, surprisingly the plastic doesn't seem much better quality like in the back, definitely not. Here it probably feels a little better, not much better than the other one. And let's see what else. They include this usual little brush to clean the blades. They included a European charger. Has this kind of charging. Probably the most positive things what I can say about this one, that it has a Type-C charging port, what was just great because that's a little more common than this one, what is probably only gonna work with the shaver. And I just noticed that I didn't plug the microphones, but I think you're still gonna be able to hear me. They also included this little trimmer, or I don't exactly know what it's called, but something like that, and that's it. So I don't know if it has any charge in the battery. Oh yes, it's charged 100%, and it's I really like it. Like it's showing that how many minutes of use left, not that the percentage of the battery, but how many minutes of charge it still has. I don't know if it's gonna be visible, if it's yes, it's shaving my hair from my arm. This part of my arm is always testing the shavers. So I don't know, like this whole thing should be coming off if I wanna clean the blades. I just have to figure out how can I remove it. Okay, let's see if they have any instruction for that. Well, they showing that I just have to lift it. Because I was okay, I don't know what these things are here in the side. I thought that if I push these in the same time that it might release this thing, but it actually doesn't seem to be the case, and I also doesn't want to break it. And this thing is already removable, and I can add this other little thing, but I'm still interested how to get it off from here. And again, like the plastic isn't that good. I mean, it doesn't seem to be that good quality, and I really don't know how to get it off here from here. So okay, so here I can put my fingernails under it, and that's how I could force it open. So this is how it looks from the inside. And actually I don't know, I also wanna figure out that how I can remove this part so I can take out the blades to actually clean it, because from my experience with the previous shavers I had, I really needed to take it out in every 2 weeks or something like that. So let me see if it gives any help concerning that. Okay, so I can take these out individually as it looks. Oh yes. Okay, so I have to push these things and I can take those off. Okay, so well, hopefully it's gonna work. And also I can add this other thing. Or maybe not, but it should. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna sacrifice a little more hair from my arm. Oh yes, oh okay, so if you can see the hair there, like it's definitely cutting the hair. And okay, my arm gonna look strange here, but that's okay. Okay, but let me try to put it together again. Okay, I'm just a little worried that it might break, because I really have to like force it to open, and the material doesn't seem that better quality. So I think the solution of this one and the other Xiaomi shaver that I had previously, like it's probably better that I just push a button here and it opens up. But we will see how long it's gonna last. I hope that it's gonna solve my shaving problems for a few years, but we will see. So I guess I will just show you how it works and how it feels. I'm gonna share my opinion about that. I'm just gonna pause the video a little bit and modify my setup a little bit. Okay, so now I'm hoping I'm in the frames, but I don't know. So I shaved yesterday's, but we'll see how it works. So far it's like it doesn't hurt nearly as much as this one, but I also have to say, like, it feels like I can't really get like in the under my nose because of the form of this shaver. Like probably I could still shave that, and as I feel what I shaved, I'm not sure it's smoother than the other one, but again it's nearly not as painful as the other one. So it seems working on my face, but I'm gonna try it on my hair also. And also it doesn't have that I hope it's gonna focus, that this is the temperature in my room, so it's 28.7 Celsius, so I'm sweating a little bit. And so I don't know how much it was, how much you could hear, but it seems like it's struggling. I mean, sounds like it's struggling with my hair, what I shaved yesterday. And it doesn't, it's not a good sign, I think, because probably this one didn't struggle that much, especially not in the first usage. So I don't know how it's gonna be performed in a longer term. And also, like when I push it in the middle, like there is like a little click, so it's not moving so smooth. Let me just go back to my normal setup. So when when it's going to that area, when it would just go in like that, it feels like there is a little click here, like it's not a smooth movement. I don't know, I'm not impressed with this shaver so far. I'm gonna use it for a while, and probably I will have to get used to it also. And also I start to feel that my face is burning a little bit where I shaved it. That is also not so good. This is one thing what I really hated about this one. So let me just grab. So this was my first electric shaver. It's a little dusty now. Probably still this was the best, I think. But I hope that it's gonna convince me, this one, that I'm wrong. But I don't know. Sorry guys about this long video. I didn't plan to make it this long. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.